I bought this weird looking thing a few months ago, and today we're finally gonna get it running. Hopefully. I don't know what it is, so don't ask. I'm just kidding. It's a Chinese X-Racer. Yeah, you probably never seen one, probably never see another, but yeah, we're gonna get it running today. Let's load this bitch by myself with my messed up trailer. Ugh. This thing's heavy. It'd be a lot better if this thing was running. It supposedly goes 70 miles an hour. But let's say we got it loaded. Damn, this trailer's messed up. We got it loaded. We're at Johnny's house. Let me unload this hole. I'll just ride it off. Hopefully. Hopefully. Oh, it's stuck. Chill out, bro. Calm down, dude. Come here. Come here. Calm down.
They're not made for adults. I mean, for us, these damn things are made for freaking Koreans because they're so tiny.
Thing's super small, ain't it?
Yeah.
This thing is flipping phenomenal.
It's missing some body parts.
Yeah, it's supposed to have, I'll show you in a second. It's supposed to have a plastic piece here.
And on the other side.
And a plastic piece here because it's designed, it's supposed to look like a V8 motor. Because it's designed to be like the Dodge Tomahawk. Yeah, this thing's super freaking cool. Yeah, let's
And the cool thing about it, it's got a lot of chrome on it too that can clean up.
Do you have a jump box?
Mine's in Lisa's car.
Yeah, I'm gonna pull my trucker back around here, and we're gonna jump it off. It's Johnny's a character. Let's go jump this thing off, bro. Stay on there, crackhead. Nope. Okay. I'm good at what I do, so I can drive manual with one hand. It's fine. It's okay. It's perfectly fine.
I told my neighbor I wanted him to see this.
This thing's awesome, ain't it?
Bad as fuck.
This is little Johnny. He's my cousin. Say hi.
What's up, girls and guys?
There's 1% of girls that watch my videos.
So you have to, you gotta let them have fun. I love it. Let them know that love's there too.
Alright, let's
We called my neighbor. I want him to see this.
we're about to crank this thing.
Go ahead. All right. I'll talk to you here in a little bit. All right. Bye bye.
Alright, make sure those are on.
Hang on. Let me put my phone up there. This one come off.
Got gas.
This comes off, don't it?
I don't know how to take it off because it's connected over here.
We'll figure it out.
It's between the handlebars.
We'll figure. Oh yeah.
So I'm sure it'll come out somehow, or one way or another. You ready?
Okay. Yeah.
Which one? This one.
It's cold. So it'll die if you take these off?
Probably. It might. I don't know. Piece of junk.
It's cold.
Anyways, you've seen what it's doing. Now let's fix it. You've seen it runs. Sounds damn good.
I just wish it would stay running.
I know. Now let's take the carburetor apart, try to clean the dang thing, and see if we can drive this thing today. It's cool, it runs. Ish. Sorta. Alright. So it cranks up sometimes. Crank up good for a second. Now I gotta figure out why the hell it's not staying crunk or running good. Running every time. This is a GY6 motor. Yeah, it's a GY6 motor, so it's got a little carb on it. Yeah. You gotta figure out how to take that bitch off. Right there. Boop. Then get that thing off and see what we can do with it. Let you know what we decide to do.
It don't need to be this damn long.
Jesus Christ. Just because it's a ghetto rigged sheetrock screw, bro. I got this thing from Crackhead, so that kind of makes sense.
That's for the instrument panel.
Okay. It should just go right off now. Now unplug those lights.
Alright, let me find the other one. It's over here too. Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
Got it. Boom.
That makes it a little easier to get to the car.
Oh yeah. I don't even have a freaking gas thing, but
It's supposed to be a thing that sits in.
yeah, it's fine. All right. Hell, we could. This looks like it's just 2 bolts to take the whole gas tank off. There we go. What is that? I don't know.
Lights.
Oh. What's the diaphragm?
It goes up here that makes this come up and down.
Okay, hopefully it's not that. Let me go get you some stuff.
Let me go get my big heavy duty.
Carb cleaner. Alright. You Sprite. Fuck. Trolleys and push pins. The necessities of carb cleaning. The necessities of carb cleaning. Boom! This camera's so good. I'm just chilling. Damn. This camera's nice. Alright, me master mechanic.
And this thing was loose.
Meow.
Somebody's been in it before, Daddy.
Don't like them loose. I'm starting to not like this small motor stuff. It's just so small. I don't know what to do with it. Poor bike. Look at that thing. Thing looks so bare. This part of the video is kind of boring, so I'm gonna turn this off, save some battery while he tries to clean it, and I'll talk to y'all. Now I'll talk to y'all if it's when it's running, if it gets running. And if you're seeing this, it probably ran, so you'll be seeing it soon. All right. We got this thing's carb cleaned. Now we're about to try to crank it and hopefully ride it. I'm so nervous because I want to ride this thing so bad because it's so flipping cool. Just look at this thing.
Yeah, the thing is, all the plastics. Had to take all the plastics off the carburetor.
This thing's so freaking cool. I love it. I freaking love it. Alright. Let's see what we can do here.
This is just nasty, Dad.
Do I?
I think this is the best toy you ever had.
That thing's badass.
I get a hold of it. When we go to redo everything, these wires that are right here, Dad.
1 second. What are you saying?
These wires that are right here,
next
time when we go to do it, I'd recommend we'll put them all inside instead of on the outside of the body.
Alright, hey, did you hook up the throttle?
Yeah, the throttle's unhooked up.
Okay, cool.
I had to hook that up before I put it in.
Alright, bruh. It ain't gonna take off on me, is it?
No.
Oh, yeah, you gotta put the brake on anyway. I'm excited.
You know, you wake something up, you're gonna have to put the motherfucker to sleep.
What are you talking about?
Mr. Monster. We might get banned. We might get banned off Facebook for this.
You press that. I'll do this.
Throw some carburetor cleaner in it. I mean, carburetor starter.
Carburetor cleaner. You ain't got none in there.
It's got some. You don't need much.
Wrong way.
You good, Lisa? You see it walk down?
It wanted to go. Go ahead. It sounded mean when it did.
I'm thinking you're gonna have to put a carb on it, Dad. Oh yeah, that's the kill switch.
I'll let go. Piece of junk.
That's nasty. Oh, I know it goes. There's the back with everything that goes. That's what this goes to.
And it sounded so good when it cranked up.
Let's go see Mama.
Damn it.
Hey, Mama.
Fuck. Hold up, bro. Piece of shit. Damn. Thank you. Thank you, Lisa.
What do you think of that crazy looking device? Look at her face, Day. It's weird. We just rebuilt the carburetor and it's still not running right. I told him I'm thinking it's going to need a new car. We can get the car for less than $30 online. What kind of motor did you say that was?
The GY6. So it's 150cc.
And this is what they race over there.
Damn it. Fuck!
It ain't wanting to let dump carb gas down in it, so that's telling me that diaphragm on top ain't opening like it's supposed to.
Yeah.
Every day.
It's not looking like we're gonna have a crunk Chinese X-Racer today. I think I gotta get a, what the hell, I can't even talk. Gotta get a new carburetor and then I'll put it in and see if we can get it right. Disappointed.
So it's the one that rebuilt the carburetor.
Alright, goodbye. Alright, it's been many days after since last time you saw me. Even though for you it's kind of been like a split second. But for me it's been 3 days, okay? Anyways, I'll replace the carburetor on this thing. I'm about to see if it cranks. If it don't crank, I'll be pissed. It's got a brand new carburetor. Hopefully I did it right. It's my first ever carburetor change. I just copied everything over from the last one. This thing cranks, and I get to drive it today. I'm going to be very happy. If it doesn't, I'm going to be very mad. If this doesn't work, I'm done with small motors unless they run. I'm just gonna freaking Danny Duncan the rest of my videos. No more Tom's Refurb, Cletus McFarlane, even though you haven't seen it, either of those in my videos yet, but you know what I mean, bruh. This better fucking work. That's all I'm saying. Better freaking work. Watch it just go fucking hit mom's car. Oh my god. Alright. Brake on. Key turned over. Crank. Okay. I've got gas in it. Everything's plugged up. Something's not working. I don't know. Maybe this. What is this? Alright, bro. It's got a brand new carburetor. Everything's hooked up right. New gas. New spark plug. Everything's right. Why the fuck is it not cranking? Y'all, please tell me this. I don't work on these small motors. I work on trucks and cars, okay? I don't know what I'm doing here. What am I doing wrong? Why is it not cranking? What should I check next? Put it in the comments. Thank you. I'll see you next video. Because this bitch ain't cranking. Tired of it. Tired of this, Grandpa.